Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to tell Photoshop to stop showing you annoying animated tooltips and distracting videos about new features. This is going to make me sound really old, but I have literally been using Photoshop for 30 years. And while I'm very grateful that Adobe keeps investing in the program and adding new features, I would much rather discover them on my own than have the program distract me from my work with pop-ups of animations and videos. This is especially a problem every year when the new version of Photoshop comes out and I find myself clicking to hide all the notifications about new features just so I can do the thing I actually want to do. And you can see I have things popping up here as soon as I create a new file, or when I mouse over one of the tools in the toolbar, I get these little animated tooltips and so on. So let's see how to get those out of our way. We'll just go to Photoshop Settings and then go to Notifications. And right down here we have Enable Quiet Mode, where we can turn off rich tooltips, what's new, and feature onboarding. Or you could turn off any one of these three individually. But just let's click Enable Quiet Mode and OK. And now I can just do my work in peace and discover new features when I want that. So that's a quick tip for how to use quiet mode in Photoshop to hide distracting pop-ups about new features.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.